Hi everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to remove these old bindings. These are Rottefella NNN. These are probably early mid 90s, but they weren't entirely intuitive on how to get them apart or take them off. Clearly one screw is right there. That one's obvious. And to do this you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, maybe a couple different heads. That's what I have here. I've got a tripod I'm going to set up to show you where the other screws are. And we'll take this binding off. The other two are hidden under this rubber piece. You can get at it by holding it up. If you have to, make sure this is not cold, get it inside a little bit to warm up. You maybe even use a hair dryer. And then the third one is underneath this little logo or emblem button that we'll have to pry up to get to that. So enough talk, let's show you how to do it. Okay, one down. The next two are under this rubber piece. And I kind of have to angle this a little bit. Hopefully I don't block your view. All right, we have most of the screws off. The last one is underneath this front emblem. So get yourself a small flathead screwdriver or a little blade or something, or a knife, and kind of, I'm going to start with my fingernail and get under there. Here we go. And just pop that up. And there is your final screw. There we go. And it might be kind of stuck just from being on there for years, but there we go. We have removed this old vintage Rottefella cross-country ski binding, and there is the little heel strike plate. To get that off, it's just 2 nails. Well, that's how you get the old Rottefella cross-country ski binding off your old skis. Clean this up, prep it for your new bindings if you want, or like this old set of skis. Since it's beautiful wood made in Norway, we're using this as a display set. Thanks for watching.